At Maricel, akyat lang tayo. So this house built 1930. Kung makikita nyo from Silent Doctor original po yung bahay, wala po renovation ginawa dyan.
Walang renovation to.
Underrating lang po ang furnish po.
Pati itong flooring?
Structures, yes po. From Silent Doctor original po. Bali, structure po kasi ng bahay is made by Nara Inyakan po.
Wow.
And then kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong attic. Yung attic naman is kinonvert po natin for office na. That is small room. Converted for office na po siya. And then sa taas naman po is mga original bedrooms na kinonvert po natin for a dining room. Watch your step po. So this is a second pantry po. Here in the second floor po.
Dahan lang.
And then, this is our second pantry, the black door. So, itong black door lang po ng palitan and then this one. Kasi ang originally door is yung kataas ng kalapat po.
Okay.
So, originally compared to before. So, this is a first room. So, sabi ko nga po, ang renovations under repaint lang po. Nilagyan ng white para magkaroon ng piece of modern and then hindi masyadong dark po. Even the cabinets are original po.
Wow, beautiful. So this is the first bedroom.
Yes po, this is a first bedroom and then this is a second one.
This is second bedroom.
That's good for 6 person also. This one. Upon guest request, sir, kung gusto niya ng privacy, for example, family get together, pwede naman ma-accommodate itong private.
Dapat dito kami kanina.
Merong consumable orders na din po kasi.
Dapat dito kami kanina.
And then this
Pero okay din doon.
And then this is the third one. And then this is the third one. So makikita ninyo may white purple yan. But for the private dining na po, for the owner, which is Mr. Joseph Sembrano, and then meron isang toilet sa loob po. Isang malaking veranda po yung setup niyan. Yes po. And then this is the master bedrooms.
Can I see what flower is that? And
That is the magnolia, sir.
Magnolia? Oh, this is magnolia pala.
And then the lot area is 2 hectare going down po.
2 hectares na
Yes
to.
po. Originally owner po lang for a family po and now this property is not for under his permission. 2007 na pinag yung permission na and then Mr. Sembrano nag-release na lang siya. So, restaurant of housing.
So hindi niya ginagalaw yung lupa ni Lucio Tan?
No po. Only the house lang po kasi nung tao si Jude.
Ang ganda.
And then this is a master bedroom. Nung first time po nila ma'am, dito sila naka-place po. Ito po yung area nila nung first punta po nila.
Naalala mo siya.
Yes po.
Okay, that's nice.
So ito po, this is a master bedroom.
This is beautiful.
Yes po. May maliit na balcony and also
Beautiful.
po. Connected din po sa area po nila.
Oo, sa baba.
Yes,
Beautiful.
and then since ito yung master bedroom, yung pang door na nakapix po na ito is originally door sa toilet nila. So, finish na po namin and then nilipat na po namin on the black door po.
Beautiful.
And
Ilang taon na tong bahay?
So, this house built 1930 po.
1930.
Yes po, pero kung makikita nyo,
Wow.
yung structures ng bahay. Yes po.
This
And
is
actually,
1930.
Yes po. And actually, that is good idea na gawin na po itong restaurant kasi parang the Perahos po kasi is the one of the tourist destinations
Grabe.
sa Baguio. And then kung makikita nyo, I think only Joseph na talagang nakasecure ang only restaurant po sa Baguio. Kasi to be honest, kung marami po kasi dito yung mga lokal ng Baguio or turista is dire-diretso na lang po pumapasok na ang gusto lang nila mag-pictures.
Oo.
Yes po.
1930s ditong bahay na to. Grabe. 1930 pa to. Amazing. Sobrang maingat kayo talaga. Maingat kayo mga taga Baguio sa sa mga historical places ninyo.
Yes, actually, La Perahos po is the one of the heritage park po talaga dito sa Baguio.
Itong
Yes po.
yeah.
Kasi naging before po, based on the history, naging Japanese garrison din po ito before.
Yes, that's I heard that. From there to here. Yeah, gusto kong pababa ulit. Kukunan ko siyang pababa. Actually, we are on tour. LGU
Yes
ng
po.
Tawi-Tawi.
That's good.
So, isang eroplano kami. So, tomorrow they will arrive. So, kaya nauna kami dahil we will prepare all the hotels.
So how many days na po si Mr. in Baguio?
Ngayon, 3 to 4 days lang.
Yes po.
Yun, dalawang coaster sila, dalawang
So, would you like
bus.
to show the originally main dining po? Meron
Yes.
po dito.
Mabuti sinamahan mo ako. At least alam ko yung buong istorya. Wow.
Yes po, this is combination of Nara and Yakan po.
Nara and Yakal. That's why so...
So very hard, one of the expensive wood dito
Kaya
sa-
yung wood ko doon sa Sisi, doon yung bahay natin sa Quezon City.
Sure, sir, na lang po.
Imagine, 1930s. So, ilang taon na to, sir?
Well, 1 year na rin po. 100 years na nakalas na rin po.
100 years?
Yes po.
Wow! 100 years old. Imagine. Ni isang anay hindi niya kayang kagatin ito. Pag kinagat niya, siya ang kakagatin ng kahoy ng mga to. Hindi niya kayang kagatin.
And then this is the main dining area of the family. So ito po ang pinakamang table natin sa lahat ng person.
Ito original door pa rin.
Yes po, this is our original door po. And then, hopefully by next time you can try our steak po. Actually, this is not steakhouse, but our steak are very well. Kasi in all region, Joseph have own dry ager box po. So, dinadry natin yung steak natin with the average of 28 days po. And then sometimes 21 days po. And then we have a Australian Black Angus and a Japanese Country Wagyu. And then this area naman po is originally main dining of the family po. This is our good